space station. It's going behind the tree. There's people up there. Isn't that weird? We're gonna walk to the other side of the tree. See if we can get a shot of it. Maybe we can. There it is. There's humans up there. This thing is wild. Like a little V thing. Not a V, but like a behind the cloud. It pops out behind the cloud. There it is. Kind of. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. See it? Wave of the astronauts. And behind the cloud again. So, there you go. You got to see the space station. There's people up there. It's really neat. Got to see it go from west to southwest tonight. Today is May 16th.
Because you know where we'll be in 2 days?
Yeah,
And what date is that?
the 18th. So it's, what time is it? 9? Oh, 13. 9:13 on Monday, May 16th. So, in case you missed it, that was it.